You feel it, don't you? That quiet whisper inside, telling you you're meant for more. It's a feeling that starts in the shadows, a tiny spark in the dark, but it's real. This is where your journey begins. Right here, right now. It's time to rise from those shadows. Start small, but dare to dream giant. Forget waiting for someone else to believe in you. You have to believe first. Believe in the person you're becoming before anyone else even sees the potential. Every single step you take, no matter how small, it counts. It's a vote for your future self. There will be stumbles. You will fall, but here's the secret. You fail forward. Every mistake is a lesson. Every setback is a setup for a comeback. You take all that doubt, all that criticism, both from others and from that voice inside your head, and you turn it into fuel. Let it power your engine. You are built for so much more than you currently believe. Stop waiting for permission. Greatness doesn't announce itself with the trumpet. It starts quietly, with a choice to try. That pain you feel, that struggling, that's not your weakness. That is your power. It's forging you into something stronger, something unbreakable. Discipline will always beat motivation. Motivation is a feeling. It comes and goes. Discipline is a commitment. It's showing up when you don't feel like it. It's those small, daily habits that create monumental change over time. Look back at yesterday. You are stronger today. You've learned something new. You've survived another challenge. So embrace the struggle. It's the only way to grow. Keep moving in silence. You don't need to broadcast your every move. Let your actions speak for you. Let your results make the noise. The only limit that truly exists is the one you place on yourself. It's time to break your own barriers. Real, lasting change begins with a single choice, followed by another and another. It's the choice to show up every single day. No excuses, only results. Take that fear that's holding you back and turn it into courage. Take what you perceive as weakness and forge it into an undeniable strength. Don't run from challenges. They are opportunities in disguise. Chase the absolute best version of yourself. Consistency is what builds champions. It's not about one heroic effort. It's about the daily grind. The commitment to the process. Doubt less and just do more. When you feel like you can't go on, just tell yourself one more step, one more try, one more day. You are so much closer to your breakthrough than you think. You have to trust the process, even when you can't see the end. And most importantly, trust yourself. You have the wisdom and the strength within you. This journey is about building resilience. It's about learning to embrace discomfort, to lean into the pressure. Because pressure is what creates diamonds. Stop focusing on perfection and start focusing on progress. Are you a little bit better today than you were yesterday? That's a win. Your goals don't care about your excuses. They demand effort. They demand your focus. Rise above the negativity, both from the world around you and from that critic inside your own mind. You have to learn to silence that inner critic, or at least turn down its volume. Turn your pain into progress. Turn your effort into mastery. You've come too far to quit now. Don't even let that thought enter your mind. You were made for impact. True success starts in your mind. Before you can achieve it, you have to see it. Dream like a lion, majestic and bold. Work like a soldier, with discipline and focus. And win like a warrior, with heart and relentless spirit. You have to fight for your future, because no one else is going to fight for it like you will. Keep your vision crystal clear when things get tough. That vision will be your North Star. Keep your heart strong, protected from doubt and fear. It's time to take control of your life. Your story isn't over. You're just getting to the good part. You will fail, you will learn, and you will repeat. That is the cycle of growth. Hustle, but hustle with purpose. Know why you're doing what you're doing. Make today count. When you lay your head down tonight, make sure you can say you made yourself proud. You took a step. You learned something. You didn't give up. That's how you make success inevitable. By stacking up proud days, one after another. Push beyond what you think your limits are. You are writing your own destiny with every choice you make. Transform your mindset. See obstacles not as barriers, but as puzzles to be solved. Build unstoppable momentum, one small win at a time. Believe in greater possibilities for yourself. Every single moment is a new chance to make a different choice. Work in silence and prepare to shine in glory. Success loves discipline. It craves consistency. You have to be hungry for more. Not greedy, but hungry. Hungry for growth, for progress, for becoming the person you know you can be. Be relentless. Be extraordinary. Nothing changes if you don't change. You're in the process of becoming unstoppable. Embrace the grind. Learn to love the effort, the sweat, the challenge, because that's where the change happens. Rise after every single fall. Each time a little stronger, a little wiser. Commit to greatness. It's not a destination. It's a daily commitment. Don't fear failure. Fear regret. Fear looking back years from now and wondering, what if? It's time to break the cycle of procrastination and self-doubt. Build new habits. Build new strength. Build a new you. Fight for your dreams as if your life depends on it, because in many ways, it does. Refuse to settle for a life that is less than the one you are capable of living. Refuse to give up on yourself. You're evolving. You're rising. You're becoming more powerful with every single step. Turn your dreams into concrete plans. Turn those plans into daily action, and turn that action into success. Your future is not written in the stars. It's in your hands. You are not your past. Your past is a lesson, not a life sentence. Focus only on what you can control: your attitude, your effort, your actions. Right now, start to believe in the impossible. Live with intention. Push forward without fear, knowing that even if you fall, you'll get back up. Build that inner strength that no one can ever take from you. Success is a decision you make every single morning. Choose growth. Choose to face your fears. Choose to keep your promises to yourself. Stay committed. Stay unbreakable. Stay consistent. You're closer than you have ever been. Your rise is becoming unstoppable. The world needs your unique greatness, the gift that only you can offer. Go out there and prove yourself right. Keep going, no matter what. So, what are you waiting for? Start now, not tomorrow, not next week. Now, start small. You don't have to have it all figured out. Just take the first step and start boldly. Believe in what you're doing. This is your turning point. This is your moment. This is your rise from who you were to the unstoppable force you are destined to become. Your journey starts now. Let's go.